What are rear swing arm spools, and why in the hell do I need to install them on my bike? Stay tuned, I'm going to answer that question. Every modern sport bike is going to have one or maybe even two bosses, the back of the swing arm, that will allow you to install a set of swing arm spools. Why do you need to put these on your bike? Well, that's really simple. It is so you can lift the back of your bike by using a motorcycle stand that works with spools. You can see this is a really simple design. There's a ton of brands that stand out there for sure, right? The one we're showing you right now is a Pitbull. The hooks interact with the spool and allow you to lift the back of the motorcycle in a very stable and safe manner. That's perfect for tire changes, other types of service, go to the racetrack, tire warmers, all those things. That is the purpose behind spools. If you choose a brand like Driven, these D-Access spools, not only are you able to get all the functionality from it, but you also get some bling. To install them, this is very, very basic. The only real tip I've got for you is this. Let's put a little bit of Loctite on there, just a little bit of blue Loctite. T-handle. And my buddy Noam over there, he makes some gorgeous parts. I love the attention to detail that he invests in each one of his products. Even the swing arm spools. Okay, so we're going to use a nice blue on black here. We'll go to the other side, install that. If you want to use a torque wrench, Google the torque spec, feel free to do that. I'm just going to use my T-handle. I've been doing this for a long time, so I got a pretty good sense of what the torque needs to be. On the 2017 or 18 Yamaha R6, this particular spool needs to be installed in the rearward most hole. The shape of the swing arm interacts negatively with this, so this one needs to be in the rearward most hole, which is honestly, that is where I would put it anyways. All right, got the spools on the bike, both sides, got the stand on there. Show you how this all works. The hooks on the rear stand supports, they interact with the spools and allow you to lift the motorcycle in a stable and safe manner. Of course, the quality of stand you use has an impact on how stable it's going to be after it's lifted. We have a whole separate video on that. If you want to check that out, check that one out for sure. So, primary purpose for installing the spool is going to be to lift the motorcycle with a rear stand. It's going to allow you to work on the bike, change tires, all that kind of stuff, right? Nice, stable manner, very important. What are fringe benefits? Well, these blue spools look super bitchin' on this bike. That's a benefit for sure. And you could argue that perhaps there would be some crash benefit to this. Maybe it'll protect the axle nut, so on and so forth, protect the swing arm a little bit. That could go in the other direction. But there you have it. That is why you need spools on your sport bike. I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com.